Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to update your phone number on Uber Eats in 2025. Maybe you've switched carriers, lost your old phone, or just want to keep things fresh. Whatever the reason, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. It's super straightforward, and we'll have you done in under a couple of minutes. First off, make sure you've got the latest version of the Uber Eats app installed. Head to your App Store, update if needed, and then open the app on your phone. Once you're in, log in to your account if you haven't already. Security first, right? Now, tap on your profile icon or picture, usually found in the top right or bottom corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see the section for personal information. Look for your phone number listed there. Next, tap on the phone number field. You might see an Edit button or a pencil icon. Go ahead and click that. Carefully enter your new phone number, double-checking for accuracy to avoid any verification hiccups. After you save it, Uber Eats will send a verification code to your new number via text or call. Enter that code promptly when prompted in the app. If everything goes smoothly, your phone number will be updated right away. Sometimes, you might need to log out and log back in for the changes to fully take effect. And there you have it. That's how you change your phone number on Uber Eats in 2025. If you run into any issues, like a code not arriving, try restarting the app or reaching out to Uber's support team. It's always good to keep your info up to date for seamless ordering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any other tech questions. See you in the next one.